So this is the summary of the poem I Find No Peace by Thomas Wyatt. So these are the important points. This poem is a sonnet written by Thomas Wyatt. In this poem, the speaker talks about his experiences of being in love. The speaker asserts that love brings both pleasure and pain with it. The speaker uses so many paradoxes to express his opinion on love. So this is the text of the poem. I find no peace and all my war is done. I fear and hope, I burn and freeze like ice. I fly above the wind, yet can I not arise, and not I have, and all the world I seize on. That loseth nor locketh, holdeth me in prison, and holdeth me not, yet can I escape no wise. Nor letteth me live, nor die at my device, and yet of death it giveth me occasion. So, when the poem opens, the speaker says that he doesn't find peace anywhere. He is in a state of conflict, although he is not fighting with himself. He has mixed emotions of being in love. Sometimes he is fearful and sometimes he is hopeful. Sometimes he burns as well as sometimes he freezes like ice. He means to say that love brings both pleasure and pain with it. Sometimes he feels like to fly high, and sometimes, he feels imprisoned. Sometimes he feels like he has everything, and sometimes he feels as if he has nothing. Sometimes he feels free in love, and sometimes he finds himself in its tight grip. Next, he says that sometimes he feels free to leave love but can't find the way to escape. He says that he can't either live or die when he is in love. Without eye I see, and without tongue I plain. I desire to perish, and yet I ask help. I love another, and thus I hate myself. I feed me in sorrow and laugh in all my pain. Likewise displeaseth me both life and death, and my delight is cause of this strife. So in these lines, the speaker says that he can see something without sight sometimes, and sometimes he complains without speaking. Sometimes he wants to die, and next he wants to live longer. He says that love is not stable and predictable but is constantly changing. At one moment, he feels he hates himself because he loves somebody. And he says that he makes efforts to cope up with the pain and the sorrow that he feels in love sometimes. And he tries to dismiss his feelings of pain and anguish by just laughing. Next, he says that he is not happy either with life or death. The pleasure that he gets from love is the reason of all of his suffering and troubles. Love is not that simple for the speaker, but it is full of contradictions. And here the poem ends.